Good morning, students. Our today's topic is multiplication of numbers. First, let's understand some terms related to multiplication. The first term is multiplicand. Multiplicand means the number to be multiplied. Second term, multiplier. The number by which the multiplicand is multiplied is called multiplier. And the third term is product. The result of multiplication is called product. For example, when we multiply 12 by 6, we get 72. In this example, 12 is the multiplicand, 6 is the multiplier, and 72 is the product. Now let's see some properties of multiplication. The first property is the product of a number and 1 is equal to the number itself. For example, when we multiply 4905 by 1, we get the product 4905, which is equal to number itself. Second property is the product of any number and 0 is always equal to 0. For example, when we multiply 9056 by 0, we get 0 as the product. Third property is the product of two numbers does not change even if we change the order of the numbers. For example, when we multiply 106 by 8, we get the product 848, and even if we change the order and we multiply 8 by 106, the product remains the same, that is 848. Fourth property is the product of the numbers does not change even if we change the groupings. For example, if we take three numbers 6, 5 and 4, and if we first make the group of 6 and 5 and multiply it, we get the product 30, and when we multiply it by the third number 4, we get the product 120. Now, if we change the grouping, if we make the group of 5 and 4, that is second and third number, and multiply it by the first number, that is 6, we get the same product, that is 120. Now let's understand the method of multiplying any number by 10, 100 and 1000. First, let's see the multiplication by 10. When any number is multiplied by 10, its value increases 10 times. So suppose if we multiply 6 by 10, we get the product 60, which is the 10 times of the number 6. Or mentally you can understand, you first multiply the non-zero numbers, that is 6 and 1, and after multiplying 6 and 1, put 1 0 to the right of the number. Now let's see the multiplication by 100. So if we multiply any number by 100, its value increases 100 times. So to multiply 7 into 100, first multiply the non-zero numbers, that is 7 and 1, we get 7, and then according to the number of zeros, there are 2 zeros in 100, so put 2 zeros to the right of the number. Now to multiply by 1000, again the same way, first multiply the non-zero numbers. So suppose if we have to multiply 7 into 1000, we first multiply 7 and 1, we get 7, and since there are 3 zeros in 1000, we put 3 zeros to the right of the number. I hope the topics covered in this video must be clear to you. Thank you.